Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're diving into pure American muscle reimagined for the SUV world, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its unmatched power and bold personality, the Durango Hellcat has always stood apart as the ultimate family hauler with a supercharged heart. For 2026, Dodge takes things up a notch, blending raw performance with modern refinement. Let's take a closer look at what makes this beast even more thrilling. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat commands attention with a more aggressive and aerodynamic design. The front fascia gets a larger air intake and reworked LED lighting, while the sculpted hood with heat extractors reminds you this SUV means business. Wider fenders and new wool designs enhance its muscular stance, and available blacked-out accents give it that stealthy street presence. The rear features a sporty diffuser and quad exhaust setup, completing its menacing look. Performance and powertrain. At its core, the 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat packs the legendary 6.2-liter supercharged HEMI V8, now tuned for improved cooling and responsiveness. It produces a mind-blowing 710 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for explosive acceleration and control. Dodge has refined the suspension setup for better ride comfort without compromising handling. Whether on a drag strip or highway, this SUV delivers heart-pounding performance with surprising refinement. Safety and technology. Inside, the 2026 Durango balances muscle with modern luxury. The cabin features a large 12-inch Uconnect touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with premium leather-trimmed sports seats and customizable ambient lighting. Advanced safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and upgraded collision avoidance systems. The new performance pages allow real-time tracking of power, torque, and G-forces, putting data and thrill right at your fingertips. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat continues to redefine what a performance SUV can be. With brutal power, striking design, and cutting-edge tech, it remains the undisputed king of high-performance family haulers. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more exciting reviews, test drives, and updates on the hottest rides hitting the road.